Welcome back to the channel. Debian is one of the most respected and long-standing Linux distributions in the open source world. But what makes it so special? Let's dive into 5 key reasons why Debian continues to be a top choice for users and developers alike. Debian is known for its simplicity. Whether you're installing it for the first time, configuring your environment, or maintaining your system, Debian keeps things straightforward. From beginner-friendly installers to endless documentation, Debian offers an accessible experience for users of all skill levels. Need help? The community and manuals have you covered. When it comes to reliability, Debian stands tall. Bugs and system crashes? Almost unheard of. Debian's reputation for stability is legendary. It prioritizes rigorous testing before each release, ensuring that major issues are extremely rare. You can trust Debian to run smoothly, whether on personal devices or mission-critical servers. Debian is universal. It boasts an impressive repository of over 50,000 packages, supporting a wide range of applications and software. Beyond that, more than 100 distributions, including Ubuntu and Mint, are derived from Debian. Its infrastructure is flexible, solid, and smart, making it a versatile platform for developers, businesses, and users. Debian's organizational model is a benchmark for transparency in open-source projects. The Debian project is a community-run organization where decisions are made through open discussions and voting. Its commitment to transparency sets a high standard for governance, providing a model that many other projects try to emulate. Lastly, Debian's hardware support is top-tier. Whether you're using modern laptops, servers, or even older resource-constrained hardware, Debian can run efficiently. Its lightweight nature ensures that even older systems can be revived, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of machines. From its simplicity and reliability to its universality, transparency, and hardware support, Debian remains one of the best open-source distributions available. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Debian provides the tools, stability, and flexibility needed to thrive in the Linux world. Give it a try and discover why so many people continue to choose Debian. Thanks for watching.